If you're saving up to buy your first home, you might have heard that you need 20% of the home price for your down payment. But here's the truth. That is not necessarily the case. Unless specified by your lender, you don't always need to put that much down. Hi, it's Patty Hardy here with Sheridan Realty at Canyon Lake. And as you can see, today's median down payment is less than 20%. In fact, it's only 14% when you take the average for all buyers. And it's even lower for first-time buyers at just 6%. The big takeaway? Don't let this myth be a barrier to your achieving your dream of home ownership. If saving for a down payment still feels like a challenge, know there are over 2,000 assistance programs right here in the United States, and the majority are intended to help you with your down payment. So, if you're looking to purchase a home this year, let's connect, because you may be closer to your savings goal than you think. Give me a holler, 210-313-1010, and I am happy to help. Thanks.